Prefixes. I'm Duff, the prefix man, and these are the pieces of my prefix puzzle. I fasten a prefix to the beginning of a word and change its meaning. Let me show you how I do it. Take the word do, for instance. I'll use my first piece of the puzzle here. It has the prefix un. Let's attach un to do. Do becomes undo. That's funny, isn't it? Every prefix has a meaning. The prefix un means not, or the opposite of. Let's change a few more words using un. Happy becomes unhappy when you add un to it. Tie becomes untie. Tidy turns into untidy. And lock changes to unlock. Let me introduce you to the prefix re. Take the word write, add re to it, and write becomes rewrite. The prefix re means again. Now, try your hand at attaching re to words and see how the meanings change. Place becomes replace. Build becomes rebuild. Play changes to replay, and fill turns into refill. Here comes the next piece of the puzzle, miss. Try adding miss to take and see what you get. A mistake! The prefix miss means bad or badly. Let's change a few words using miss. Match turns to mismatch. Spell becomes misspell. Place changes to misplace. And lead becomes mislead. Our next prefix is dis. Dis has two meanings, not as in dishonest, and removal as in disinfect. Add dis to appear and make it disappear. Add it to like and make it dislike. Add it to obey and watch it turn into disobey. M is our next prefix. M means not, or the opposite of. Add it to possible and make it impossible. Turn perfect into imperfect, patient into impatient, and partial into impartial. Meet my favorite prefix. You know which one, right? This prefix means before. Yes, it's pre. Add it to fix and you get prefix. Use it to change book to pre-book, pay to prepay, view to preview, and heat to preheat. Here comes the next prefix, in. It means not. When in is in action, visible becomes invisible, and audible turns into inaudible. In its company, correct becomes incorrect, active becomes inactive, and sane becomes insane. I still have a wealth of prefixes to share, but I'll save them for another day. Before I wrap up, let me show you a trick. Uni, bi, and try are three of my favorite prefixes. Visit tutoringhour.com if you need to practice adding prefixes. Smash the like and subscribe buttons right now and stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.